बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हम सोल्व करने जा रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 5B। इट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। कन्वर्ट मिनट्स इनटू सेकंड्स। It's a part. It is the 140 minutes that we are going to convert into seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. We will multiply the 140 with the 60 minutes, 60 seconds. 140 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 60, जीरो से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो सारे जीरो हो जाएंगे। 6 को जीरो से किया तो जीरो हो गया। 6 4s are 24, 2 carries, and 6 1s are 6 plus 2 carry, it is the 8. It will be the 8400 seconds. This is the answer. Next we are going to convert these 90 minutes into seconds. It will be 90 multiplied by 60. Now it is in seconds plus 10 seconds. It will be multiplied. 9 fours are the 54s plus 2 zeros. It will be 5400 plus 10. The total answer is the 5410 seconds. Next we will convert 100 minutes into seconds. It will be 100 multiplied by 60 seconds, because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. It will be the 6000 seconds. Next, going to convert the 5 minutes into 59 seconds. It will be 5 will be multiplied with 60 seconds, plus we will add the 59 seconds. It is the 300 seconds plus 59 seconds. It will be the 359 seconds. This is the answer. It's a part. 240 seconds we are going to convert into minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 240 seconds will be divided by the 60. Now it is in minutes. 61 times are the 60, 64 times are the 240. It will be the 4 minutes. Next, it is 600 seconds. We will divide the 600 with the 60 seconds. Now it will be converted into minutes. 61 are 60, and 0 will be as it is. It is the 10 minutes. Next, 75 seconds into minutes. We will divide the 75 with the 60 second, because 1 minute is equal to 60 second. We will divide this one with 5 Ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. It is the 12 over 15 over 12. Now it will be divided by the 3. 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are the 15. 5 over 4 minutes. 5 divided by 4, 5 ones are 4 ones are 4. After subtraction, remainder is 1. It is the 1 whole 1 over 4 minute. Next, 1820 seconds. To convert into minutes, we will divide this one by 60. It will be the 820 divided by 60. Now it is in minutes. It will be cancelled this one, and now 18 and 2 and 182 divided by 6. 2 से cancel करेंगे, it will be 3. Now it will be 9 and 1. 91 divided by 3. Now we will divide 91 by 3. 3 3s are 9. Its remainder will be 3 3s are 9. Its remainder will be 0. और 1 को carry किया, it is less than 3. We will put 0 here. Now it is the it is less than 0. It is less than 3, so we put 0. Next we will place point here, and here will be 0, and 3 3s are we can write here. We are not converting into decimal. We will leave here remainder as 1, and we will write the answer 30 whole 1 over 3 minutes. We will leave the answer in mixed numbers, not in decimal. So its answer is the 30 whole 1 over 3 minutes. It is question number 8. Convert the hours into minutes. It's a part. 4 hours we are going to convert into seconds, not minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60. It will be 3600 seconds. So 4 will be multiplied with the 3600 seconds. 3600 multiplied by 4, 400. 4 6 are 24, 2 carries, 4 6 are 12 plus 2, it will be the 14,400 seconds. Next, it is 12 hours. 12 will be multiplied by the 3600 seconds, because 1 hour have the 3600 seconds. So 3600 will be multiplied with the 12. It will be 0 0, and 6 twos are 12, 1 carry, and the 6 threes are 2 threes are 6 plus 1, it is 7, and it is 0 0, 6 and 3 multiplying by 1. 0 0 2, 7 plus 6, it is 13 plus 1, it is the 4. It is the 43,020 200 seconds. Next, it is the C part. We will multiply the 10 with the 3600 second, because 1 hour is equal to 3600 second multiplied by 10, it will be the 36,000 seconds. Now we are going to multiply the 75 hours with the 3600 seconds. 3600 with multiplied by 75, it will be multiplied by 5, 0 and 0. 5 6 are 30, 0 will be here and 3 will be as the carry. 3 5s are 15 plus 3, it is 18. Now we will multiply with 7, 0 0 and uh, 7 6 are, it will be 42. 4 carries will be here and 7 threes are 21 plus 2, it will be 25. We'll add 0 0 0. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 carry will be here, it will be 7. It is 27. 2,70,000 seconds. Yes. It is a question number 9. Convert the seconds into hours. 1 hour is equal to 3600 सेकंड्स. इसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आवर्स में हम जो 7200 को डिवाइड करेंगे 3600 के साथ, 2 zeros इससे कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. इट इज 72 over 36. 36 2 times are the 72. It is 2 hours. Its answer. And now going to solve its B part. 18,000 second. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So 18,000 seconds will be divided by the 3600 seconds. These 2 zeros will be cancelled. This one. Now it is 180 over 36. It will be cancelled with 9. 18 18 1 times are the 18. 18 2 times are the 36 and 0 will be here. It will be 10 over 2. After cancelling, it will be the 5 hours. So answer is 18,000 second is equal to the 5 hours. It is question number 10. Convert 8 hours 50 minutes and the 20 seconds into seconds. So 8 hours 50 minutes and 20 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 8 will be multiplied with 3600 seconds plus 50 will be multiplied with the 60 and plus 20 is in already seconds, it will be written as it is. Now 3600 multiplied by 8, 0 0 and 8 6 times are the 48. 8 will be here and 4 carry. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 4 carry, it is the 28. It is the 28,800 seconds plus 50 multiplied by 60, it will be the 3020 as it is. Now we are going to add these one. It is the 28,800 plus 3000 is here plus 20 is here. It will be the 028. 8 plus 3 it is 11 plus 1 it is 3. It is 31,820 seconds. It is the final answer in seconds.